Yeah, I hear you, Chairperson.
Chairperson, point of order. Chairperson, I've got a point of order.
No, Honorable Kusela, let's allow.
It's on you, Chair. The point of order is on you. You are not protecting us, Chairperson, from abuse of MKP. Since this meeting started, we have been quiet. They know the process. Parties comment, you give an opportunity for response. But every time MKP comes in and interjects, they want to preach to us about this and the other thing. And I think, Chairperson, you are doing a disservice to us. Nobody is barred from speaking, but we can't as parties agree on a process. Then every time after you either finish summarizing or after somebody speaks, then you have the MKP wanting to interject. We can also do that, Chair. And I think that you need to help us by protecting us from this abuse of the MKP. It can't be correct. Thank you, Chair.
That is a fair point of order. I accept it.
This one, as long as they don't use state attorneys. Two, it was very offending to hear our honorable member Sandoni saying MKP is doing that. Chair, you must really try to protect us. Otherwise, as he said, she can do the same. I can do 10 times better than what she was telling our members here. It's really uncalled for. To say it's like we are disruptive.
Don't allow.
No, Chair, protect me. Chair, protect me. If you have, wait.
We can do it 100 times.
Let us be protected against the ANC bullies.
I can make it a million times.
We're not going to be bullied by the
a
ANC
million
here.
times.
If
Sandoni can be allowed to talk about us, and then Ngola never said anything because he's a comrade. It doesn't work like that here. He must respect me here. I'm the member of this committee. And I'm saying, Chair, I'm responding to what the member said about MKP. He said MKP is coming here disrupting you, Chair, which is not true. We are not disrupting anybody here.
Honorable Skosana.
It must be clear. It must be recorded. We can't be told by Sangani as if we are not his grandchildren. She must respect us. If he's got a problem with MK, you must swallow a pill. Thank you.
You are not going anywhere. We're here to stay, whether she likes it or not. She must stomach that.
Are you done, honorable members?
Yes, I'm done. You know, we can't be told how to respond on this committee. She's been doing that, and we've been quiet. But now she's taking it into another level. It's just not about MKP.
Can I check if the MKP supports the